Why niggas always on my job? I told you already, yeah, I'm so hot. Don't get mad, cause you not. And don't get your ass knocked out the sock. I told you niggas that I'm ready right now. And yeah, I always stay on my grind. And yeah, I gotta do this shit all the time. And I'ma let you know, ain't no stopping man. And all these hoes know that I'm one of a kind. Then you can see that I'm doing mighty fine. And I'ma speed it up just to finish my time. And I don't even need no motherfucking mask. When I come through, you get hit in the eye. Cause I'm not the guy that you wanna try. Fight and live, then you niggas gotta die. You don't wanna see me click that 4-5. Bow, bow, I'ma let it ride. You don't believe that, you gonna see that. I'm about to achieve that, you ain't gonna be breathing. I'm not no D-Dan, so niggas just see me anytime when you wanna. I ain't gonna play, homie, don't you run up on me. You don't really even know me. And I got something that'll make your ass die slowly.